Good morning, students. Welcome to Basic Electronics, and the subject code is 21 ELN 14/20. So let us begin with Module 1. And let me give my introduction. I am Dr. Jayalakshmi Gona, Associate Professor in Department of Electronics and Communication of BLDS Engineering College, Vijaypur. Okay. Let us glance through the syllabus of Module 1. So, Module 1 consists of two topics. First one is electronic circuits, the next one is amplifiers. And in electronic circuits, right now what we are doing, in that we do have the topics power supplies. Under that, first we are going to see the block diagram of power supply, then rectifiers. There are various types of rectifiers. After that, we are going to see reservoir and smoothing circuits, and the advanced rectifier is full wave rectifier, biphase rectifier, bridge rectifier, and after that we are going to see the voltage regulators, output resistance, and voltage regulation. And lastly, we are going to see voltage multipliers. Next is the topic amplifiers that we will deal next. So for the module 1, we are dealing with the textbook Mike Tooley. The book title is Electronic Circuits, Fundamental and Applications, 4th edition. And in that we are referring to chapter 6. Let us see what is power supply. Power supply is nothing but a device that supplies electric power to a load. And what is the special requirement of this device is it has to be a reliable source of constant voltage for all electronic systems, and has led to advances in power supply designs. This requirement has led to lot of design coming out of the research. So the block diagram consists of 4 blocks. The first one is step down transformer, the next one is rectifier. Next to rectifier we do have reservoir or smoothing filter. The last one is voltage regulator. So to the step down transformer we feed high voltage AC. The high voltage AC. Let me show you the diagram of high voltage AC. Okay. Next, the high voltage AC, high voltage is fed to a step down transformer. The role of step down transformer is to convert this high voltage AC to low voltage AC, and this is fed to rectifier, and the rectifier is going to convert the alternating current AC signal to unsmoothed DC, pulsating DC we can say, and those pulsations should be removed, and it is done by the reservoir or smoothing filter, and it is going to convert unsmoothed DC to smoothed DC, and the diagram is shown like this. All the variations at the output of rectifiers are being smoothed out at the output of the filter, and the output of this smoothed DC is further fed to voltage regulator, so that it is going to give the regulated DC so that it is always constant irrespective of variation in the input or output. Input AC signal or output load.